Assalamu alaikum. I am Zunaira Afzal from CS and IT Department, University of Sargodha, Pakistan. We organized a team of 5 students: Anam Naz, Huma Hanif, Muhammad Hamad Anwar, and Amar Ali. The purpose for organizing our team is to work with Dbpedia team in the area of Urdu Dbpedia. Our most senior and respectable faculty members, Sir Fahad and Sir Ilyas, showed us this path. We are thankful to both of them. Actually, Dbpedia is a project aiming to extract structured content, as Urdu is spoken by nearly 170 million people in the world who belong to Pakistan and India. Some other people also use Urdu as their secondary language. After seeing such a huge importance of Urdu language, the need raised for a separate Urdu Dbpedia. Here I am going to show you how data is assembled in SQL, which is the connection point of Dbpedia. Sparkle and all formats are triple stores and transfer data into data warehouses, whereas RDF models are converted into tables or views, which are also known as ontology or timber in Dbpedia terms. These data warehouses and ontologies are assembled in SQL. This is how Dbpedia data works. Now it's time to know about Urdu Dbpedia. Actually, Urdu Dbpedia is a part of Dbpedia internalization effort whose purpose is to maintain structured data that is extracted from different pages and chapters of Wikipedia. Services of Urdu Dbpedia are exposing knowledge in a quality controlled form compatible with tools covering ad hoc structured data querying and entity extraction and etc. Applications of Urdu Dbpedia include data integration, named entity recognition, topic detection, and document ranking of Urdu language. So here are some challenges Urdu Dbpedia has to face currently. Firstly, it will be checked either info boxes exist in articles of Wikipedia or not. If info boxes are not available, then they will be created first. If some attribute values are missing, then fill them first. Here I need your attention to tell you some important points about Urdu Dbpedia. Firstly, Urdu Dbpedia will facilitate only those people whose native language is Urdu. Obviously, the people who know how to speak Urdu can understand and get the answers to their enriched queries on Urdu Dbpedia. One of the goals of our research is to build a search engine in Urdu that is named entity aware and improves the baseline. The most important point about Urdu Dbpedia is that only authorized person will edit Urdu Dbpedia contents, and its contents will be available for all users. So, Dbpedia is a large-scale multilingual knowledge base that is extracted from Wikipedia. User comes and asks for a Wikipedia page. Wikipedia responds that page and browser will send Swift query to Query Manager that sends Sparkle query to Dbpedia. Dbpedia shows structured information of that query on browser that can be seen by user easily. So, either you talk about Dbpedia or Urdu Dbpedia, both show structured information. Dbpedia is the main part, whereas Urdu Dbpedia is inherited from Dbpedia. So this is all about our research, what Urdu Dbpedia is and why we need Urdu Dbpedia. Thank you very much.